See this? Here you go. So obvious. There you go. Got filled
Look
with
at that.
it.
It got the 199.99.
Yeah.
Literally only broken by a penny.
Beautiful. Yeah. All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We had an amazing trading day on SpaceX, and we shorted and we longed the SpaceX. It was time for SpaceX to come down really significantly. And today is the day that actually SpaceX came up with the option chain. And we decided to trade the option chains. The volatility and the premiums are amazing on the SpaceX options. So let's go through that. But right now, as of now, I have three open positions, as a matter of fact. The first open position is I'm actually short the SpaceX at 212. And let me bring my pen here. And then I sold SpaceX calls at 350 and 380 for 1 month. For 1 month. And I got $7 and $5 for 1 month. I couldn't believe it. Like, it means that for me to lose money on these calls, SpaceX has to become $380 per share 1 month. That means that SpaceX has to become a $4.5 trillion company in 1 month. There's no way that it's going to do that. So we sold it today, and right now is just today, in a couple of hours, we're up almost $50,000 on it. And now SpaceX is selling off significantly. So another reason that I knew SpaceX is going to be done today, and it was just about to do a big pullback, was the big market access that we had at 200. There's really no order to the upside anymore. So yesterday we took all the orders to the upside, 220, 210, 205. And now the only order that is left is 200 to the downside. That means that the market makers and the orders are completely bearish. And there's nobody that actually willing to put any big order to the upside. So there are some orders 230, 225, but the order at 200 is still significant. So that's why we decided to stay in the short. So I think it had a really massive run. In the last 3 days. And if it continues going up, it means that JP Morgan did a horrible job in IPO of this company. If this stays around $200, $250 in the next month or so, it means that they did a bad job in IPO. The IPO price was $135. So if the market accepts at $200, $250 for the next month, it means that they underpriced the company significantly. So it's about time to really go down. And today we had a couple of trades on it. But the most important trade that we did was this short that we had at in the afternoon. So I did a couple of small shorts, but the big short that we did was at around 214. And as you see here, it's just continuing selling off. So that's a big short that we're having. And I want to get to 200. I think it's going to go to 200 right now. And I want everybody to seize that actually. So as this goes down, the calls are going to lose their value as well. The 200, so it's going to go, the big order at 200, we're going to really easily see that this 200 is going to come into in effect. So that's a very, very easy. So 27, 25, so that's almost $50,000 profit in just these two. Let's see, it's going to 200. And it was just about time to really SpaceX to become week. Like, it was just ridiculous. Dr. Michael Berry, he did posted something very, very interesting. So Cassandra and Chen, so Dr. Michael Berry is the one who shorted the big shorts, the shorted market. He said it has been ridiculous for a very long time. So it's just crazy. So that's what he believed. And that was about the time. So again, how you can short this SPX? So there's two ways. You can also short. You can either short with the option chain. So I can actually bring the option chain for you. Let me bring the option chain. So this is the option for SpaceX at 350 for June. So it would be for July 18. So as you see here, let me go to 2-minute chart. This is where I shorted that. And these are my 100 contracts here. And now it's just as, the price goes going down, this value of these calls are going to go down. When do I lose money on these calls? So I lose money when the SpaceX goes at 350 plus $7. So anything above 357 would be my loss. Because the strike price at 350, I collected $7, so that would be 357. Anything above 357 is I'm in the loss. And it can be unlimited. If it goes to $1,000, I'm going to blow up my account. But it's very unlikely that it's going to go higher. So these kind of big moves that you're doing, you're seeing on, these companies are really good for short term. But again, remember, SpaceX IPO'd at 135, gapped up at 150, and now it's trading, almost $70 above the IPO price. That means that they underestimated the price of this company for 70%. They could IPO at 200 the way that it's trading. So that's why I would say very unlikely. And insiders can start selling as well, guys. So this is the rule that insiders have. The insiders can start selling if the price stays above the IPO, 15% above the IPO. That means above 150, 145, and for 5 out of 10 trading days. So if in the next 7 weeks it trades above 150, that means insiders can unlock their shares, and they would be selling pressure as well. There's a lot of people and workers, cafeteria, workers at SpaceX. A lot of people actually are there to sell. So that is why that this idea that the SpaceX can go up forever is just unbelievable. And remember, it has the revenue of $75 billion per year. Google, which is $40 billion company, has a revenue of $450 billion. So it's 4 times, higher. And that's okay. So this is where we're going to go and see what's going to happen if to 200 or not. But so far, things are doing really, really solid on that. So 380 and 350. You can still go. I mean, the premiums are still good. Go 2 months in advance, sell 380 for, let me bring the option chain for you. SpaceX. So July 17, if you go to July 17, this is the SpaceX. Go to July 17, SpaceX at calls at 380, you still get $3. That's actually, it came down significantly. Let's go to September. The calls, you're getting $7. So now, the values have been significantly dropped, but it was really, really good at the open. So Paris and Jared actually called this, mentioned that. So, we could actually see that, came up to my idea. It's really, really good. So SpaceX is a short. Let's see if we can get to 200. That would have been a really, really amazing trading day that we had on SpaceX. Tesla was another really amazing trading day that we did today with the help of Brian. Brian called Tesla for, a breakout red to green. So we did a really, really nice trade on Tesla, added more for a very nice red to green, beautiful. And in 5 minutes, we also get a very nice opening range breakout. And this is a bullish engulfing pattern that I really love. So this pattern really showed up. The signals on Tesla was really, really strong. I have also the recording as well that I can post it, and added more for a big, really nice red to green. So that was a really, really amazing trading day that we had on Tesla, SpaceX. So let's see, SpaceX is going to 200. I just want to show you to you that goes to break of this 200. What you're gonna see here is that you're gonna see a lot of big orders stacking up at 200, and this 700,000 shares that we are having at 200 is gonna really breaks, and you can see it in the time and sales that huge order is going to go down. So very important, guys. Let's quickly take a look at it. I think in the next few seconds it's going to go. All right, so it's now trying to find some sort of a bottom here. Maybe what I can do is I can put my SpaceX order in 200. So select the right amount. So I have 1,700 shares. I put 1,000 shares at 200 to buy. Let's put the order here. See if it's going to happen or not. Okay. All right, let's see. It went up again, and now it's going. The volume is 216 million shares. The float is 555 million, so almost 50% of the float.
Yeah, I think we have to remember that's how many shares were released on Friday for the IPO, to retail and to others. The total float though is somewhere, I think it's somewhere around 7 billion shares, but a lot of them are privately held with restrictions. So I don't really know what the conditions are on that, but there's a lot of shares out there that could come into this market. So
I think they call those are called outstanding shares. And I think float is the one that is tradable. So, and I think the company has to announce if they want to add more shares to the float. Essentially, they're doing a public offering.
right.
All right, so 200 is going there. I just also have a recording that I wanted to quickly show. That me zoom in here quickly. So again, I wanted to, so this is the recording that we did at the open. So as you see, this 200 order is there since 10 o'clock, 10:24 in the morning. And, even though it went up, this order still is there and, still, has always stayed in there without really showing any order to the upside. This is one of the short that we did it just below the VWAP. You see that this order has always been staying at 200. So this order is going to be like a magnet that dragging down everything to the downside. So it's gonna fight a little bit, but as long as this big order is staying at 200, is gonna probably dragging the SpaceX to the 200. Same as PLTR, switching to PLTR, you had a big order at 125 in the morning. So these are important to know. All right, so he's doing some sort of stabilization, but we'll see. I don't want this recap to be very long, but I can pause and see if he comes back to 200.
Oh yeah, we're getting a heavy drop. Let's see if we can get all the way through that big order at 200.
Yeah,
which is
so
good building.
yeah, I'm telling you, man, these odd levels are magic. It's gonna get to 200, so we're gonna go there. So the big order at 201. I'm actually having it on recording. So see the 200 is gonna be there. You go. Look at this. They're dumping like hard on it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 200. Come on. This is gonna go red.
This is where it bounced before, so let's see what it does.
I think it's gonna go to 200, and I think in the next half an hour is a very good chance that it's gonna go even red.
Well, $200 officially.
So here it's just so you can see
For it to
the
be for
P&L.
it to be red on the chart, the actual open price was $200.50.
64, 264.
$200.51. That's what I've got here.
225.64. I have it on that. So the low of the day
Oh,
is
that's the high. Yeah, the low.
The low.
Or the open.
Oh, yeah,
The low of the day is 200 exactly. The open
exactly.
price is $200.51.
So the
See a red
200
bar
is
on the chart.
exactly.
Doesn't go below 200.
Yeah, the 200 is exactly at the low of the day, and as you see, the market atlas is really showing it. So I can't, just wait to see. Boom, it's gonna go lower. 3, 2, 1. Very likely.
Yeah, they're
We're just going to show that. I think what we're going to see here is that
they're holding it.
Holding it, huh?
Holding. The reality of it.
Right, here we go.
I find things fascinating that I wouldn't necessarily want to do.
Here we go. Peter, look at that. Look at this beauty. It's going to break the 200.
All right. Come on, SpaceX.
Oh, they're really fighting it, huh?
They are, yeah.
They're really fighting it. Let's see, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. This here, and then, yeah, the low of the pre-market is also near 200, so. Less than $1. Look at that. This big order, 770,000 shares. So you see that slowly stacking up in NASDAQ on level 2 on DAS as well. There you go. So you can see this. Here you go. So obvious. There you go. Got filled.
Look at that. It got to $199.99.
Yeah.
Literally only broke it by a penny.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
There you go. Look at the volume. It's getting there. Yes. Amazing. So
did you get filled, Andrew?
Yeah, I got 1,000 share filled and doing pretty good here.
Wow.
Yeah, and the calls are collapsing as well. So the calls are really collapsing. Look at the volume that we are having here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. It was amazing.